You want to know something? Do you want to know what's very evil and corrupted and messed up? Let me tell you this, right? So look, you never seen a homeless Middle East person in North America, Canada, United Kingdom, and England, due to most of them get loans from governments and don't even have birth certificates. They don't have birth certificates there. Like, for real, like these Middle East people that come to North America, Canada, United Kingdom, and England and don't have birth certificates in those places, they don't have no social security numbers, insurance, and they somehow are able to thrive. Because I'm going to tell you this right now, England, United Kingdom, Canada, and North America is ran by Middle Eastern entities, man. Because Middle Eastern entities, they always had a fascination with ruling continents of places like United Kingdom, England, North America, and Canada. This is very corrupted, man. Like, look, it's a shame how people that could be melanated ethnicities have birth certificates in North America, being native there by birth certificate, and never get loans from government of North America to always have a house and own businesses. But yet a Middle East ethnicity people that don't have birth certificates, I repeat, but yet Middle East ethnicity people that don't have birth certificates in North America can go to North America and get loans from North American government and be looked out for to have extra money and own corner stores, technology stores, and etc. And the fact is, a Middle East foreigner moving to North America is more native to that continent than a melanated ethnicity person that has a birth certificate in North America. Because Middle Easterners not birthed in North America get loans to live comfortably and never have to worry on moving from place to place. But a melanated ethnicity person with a birth certificate from North American places like California, Massachusetts, Iowa, Idaho, Louisiana has to move from apartment to apartment as if they're a foreigner and not native in North America, which is evil how the demonic fallen angel government of North America really is. And let me tell you this, in Asia and African countries, people with birth certificates in Asian and African continents, they get to have loans from their government of all Asian countries and government of all African countries. But in North America, for example, it's not like that at all, which shows you how corrupted North America's government is. The most corrupted governments on planet Earth is the North American government, the Canadian government, the United Kingdom government, and the England government, because those governments over in those four places is ran by Middle Eastern entities. No wonder why Middle Eastern people thrive. Middle Eastern people who were not birthed in United Kingdom, North America, England, and Canada, they thrive way better than a melanated ethnicity person that has a social security number and a birth certificate in North American places, Canadian places, England, and United Kingdom. It's very sad, man. It's very fucking sad. Now, let me tell you this, right? Let me tell you this. For example, a melanated ethnicity person that has a birth certificate in New Jersey or a birth certificate in California, in the continent of North America, they could be living there for like 20 plus years and not able to own a corner store or have a business in a technology store. But yet a Middle Eastern person can move from a Middle Eastern country to North America and never had a birth certificate or a social security number in North America and already owning corner stores and owning technology stores and living in houses way before a person way before a melanated ethnicity person that has a birth certificate in California and New Jersey that was birthed in North America. Like, that doesn't make no sense. Like, people that got a birth certificate in North America, like a melanated ethnicity person, like a melanated ethnicity person that has a birth certificate in any place in North America, rather is New Jersey, or California. They should be able to own businesses with ease and get loans from the North American government and be able to live in a house without having to worry of being told by landlords they gotta move and all this shit. A Middle Eastern person, they never get told they gotta move by a landlord. Middle East people are not in no jails and prison. Like Middle Eastern people in North America that move to North America, man, they don't be homeless like the melanated ethnicity people that got birth certificates in North America. I'm gonna tell you this, the North American government, they don't fuck with melanated ethnicity people. They fuck with these Middle Eastern trashes, man. Like, this is some bullshit, bro. Like, this is some bullshit on everything. Like, these trashy ass Middle Eastern, dirty ass, filthy ass, heathen ass Middle Eastern people that came from their trashy ass Middle Eastern countries and then want to move to North America, want to move to Canada, want to move to England or United Kingdom, and then they get to have loans from the governments over in those four places, and they just get treated with favoritism to own businesses and have high paying jobs. But you mean to tell me a melanated ethnicity person that has a birth certificate in North America, has a birth certificate in Canada, has a birth certificate in England and United Kingdom, can't even have high paying jobs and can't even live in houses? And the melanated ethnicity people were the fucking ones that had the birth certificates in North America, Canada, England, and United Kingdom, can't even get to live comfortably. But a Middle Eastern person that's a fucking foreigner that moves to United Kingdom, move to England, move to North America, and move to Canada can live comfortably, man. That is evil as fuck from the governments in those four places I named.